In this video, I will show you how to delete all Facebook posts. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. To do that, all you have to do now, go and open your Facebook. You can follow the step on Android device as well as on iOS device. After you open the Facebook, tap on this menu at the top right. Now scroll to down and tap on this settings and privacy. Go to settings again. Now scroll all the way to down and tap on this activity lock. Here is it, activity lock. After you come to activity log, now tap on this first option, your activity or your Facebook activity. Now scroll to down and tap on this manage post. Now under this manage post, all you have to do now, tap on this filter option. After you tap on this filter, tap on these categories. So in this category, select this second option, your post, photos and videos. So now as you can see now here is all my Facebook posts. So if you want to delete all posts on Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this mark all button. So after you select all the posts, all you have to do now, tap on this section now where it says move to trash. So by typing on this move to trash now, I can be able now to delete all these posts on my Facebook account. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys.